Hey everyone, what's up? It's Nora here with another review to help you make smarter choices before you buy. Today, we're diving into all-day slimming tea. Before you hit add to cart, I've got some crucial info and warnings you need to hear. Stick with me until the end, or you might end up wasting your money. Let's get into it. First off, a quick heads up. If you're thinking about purchasing this tea, be super careful about where you buy it. There are a lot of fake sites out there trying to scam you. The real all-day slimming tea is only available on the official website. I've dropped the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. Avoid any shady sites, just use that link. Now that we've got that sorted, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does all-day slimming tea really work? I've been trying it out, and I'm here to give you the full scoop, no fluff, just the facts. So let's break it down. What is all-day slimming tea? All-day slimming tea isn't just your average herbal tea. It's a 100% natural blend designed to support weight loss, boost your energy, and improve your sleep. Sounds impressive, right? Let's dive into the details. Benefits, why it's worth trying. Here's why people are talking about it. Healthy weight loss, aids in fat burning naturally, without harsh chemicals. Metabolism boost, keeps your energy up throughout the day. Craving crusher, helps manage those midday cravings. Better digestion, reduces bloating and sluggishness after meals. Detox support, assists your body in flushing out toxins. Enhance sleep, ingredients help you relax and sleep better. Ingredients, what's inside? Here's what makes this tea special. Green tea and oolong tea, great for boosting metabolism. Ginseng root, maintains high energy levels. Garcinia cambogia, blocks fat production and curbs appetite. Ginger, dandelion leaves, fennel, supports digestion and reduces bloating. Senna leaves and licorice root, helps with detoxification. Peppermint and cinnamon bark, enhances sleep and reduces stress. How to use. For the best results, drink it daily. The morning tea gives you an energy boost and keeps cravings at bay, while the evening tea aids in detox and promotes restful sleep. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, just make it a part of your morning and evening habits. Real people, real results. And don't just take my word for it, check out these real reviews. Patricia, I've got so much more energy and lost 23 pounds in just 5 weeks. Rhonda, I was amazed. In 9 weeks, I dropped 39 pounds, no kidding. Adrian, my life has changed completely. Cravings are gone, and I'm down 13 pounds. So, if you're serious about achieving your health and wellness goals, all-day slimming tea is definitely worth a try. Over 18,000 people have already incorporated it into their routines and are loving the results. Why not join them? Click the link in the description to get yours today. That's a wrap for this review. If you found this useful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.